Okay, on this one, I'm gonna try to go a little bit faster. I'm just looking at the basic shapes. The front bangs of her hair are a shape all by themselves. And then the face shape, I think she has kind of like a prominent jaw. I'm trying to look at what is different about her face. One thing definitely different is this necklace with spikes on it. And then I'm gonna do, for the ponytails, I'm gonna do a quick shape. Her eyes are up here. And that is all the sketch I'm gonna do. Now one thing is, I have a 3/4 view sketch kind of memorized, but this is the opposite of how I normally draw it. So if I mess up, I think that will be the reason. Eyelashes are thick on this side. On the lashes. Pupils about mid-size or small with a highlight. I'm going to draw a little shadow under the eyelid. Now her eyebrow is so thin, so I'm just going to use it with one line, or draw it with one line, that is. Now the brow of the nose, and the other eye. Sometimes you can get so used to drawing someone at one angle that when you switch angles, you suddenly struggle at drawing. And that is what's happening here. I'm so used to drawing them looking that way, that she's looking slightly this way or tilted her head slightly this way. The exact opposite of how I normally draw it, and so I'm kind of struggling right now to draw this. And the struggle is it's kind of out of proportion, so anyway, I'm gonna keep going. Maybe I can correct it as I go. If I'm messing up though, we'll just laugh about it. So this is a dimension line for the nose, and then the bottom of the nose. Her nose is kind of basic, and then there's like a divot there for the lips, and then there is something to draw here. I'm noticing that this side of her smile comes up much higher. All right, now I get out my big marker. Start over here. Well, let's start on the chin. Just gonna, her chin is kind of prominent, so I'm gonna Draw it on there like that, and then the cheeks and the jaw. Her ears are kind of, it seems a little, they're like kind of large to me, but because her hair is so different from what you normally see, it kind of distracts from the fact that she has big ears. Let's see, the bangs. This, I have no idea how I'm going to do this quite yet. Actually, I do have an idea, but will it work? I have that I don't know. So here we go. Start off with the general shape of the bangs, and then I'm going to try to fill it in. And my marker is drying out, so let me grab another one of these. These hairs are coming away from where the pigtail is tied together. Trying to ink all this in pretty quick so that the video is not that long. All right, now just some interesting shapes for the ponytail. I'm not talking a lot on this video because I'm kind of concentrating on getting this inking right. I don't normally put this much ink on a drawing, but she has this dark hair and it's more fun to put the ink on there. I'm basically looking at this shape and from one end inking toward the middle of the shape, and then from another point I'm inking back toward the middle of the shape, and that ends up leaving these open highlights, or these openings where the ink didn't hit, that kind of end up looking like highlights. I don't know if I'm out of camera or not, but I'm just going to draw a little bit of her, like the shoulders of her shirt. And there we go. I think it turned out fairly decent for a quick sketch. So please let me know in the comments who or what you'd like to see me draw next. I'm also adding these photos of drawings I did at recent events to the video, and I really like these drawings. I think they came out good, so I just wanted to show you where I'm at on my artistic journey, and I'm going to keep on practicing and getting better every day, hopefully, and I hope you do the same. So I'll see you on the next video.